Ashwaubenon. This beautiful, majestic community is the closest thing you'll find to a utopia in the world. It has so many great attractions. It's the perfect place to raise a family and grow old. Jean Piaget knew it all. Your children will truly blossom through all 4 of his stages in the Ashwaubenon community.
Your child is sure to develop through the sensory motor stage with parent-child aquatics at Ashwaubenon High School pool. Children between 6 months and 3 years of age will bond with their parents and form a secure attachment. At Cormier KinderCare Daycare, children in the pre-operational stage are sure to stimulate their imagination. In addition, coordination and motor skills will be enhanced at the Little Gym on Oneida Street.
Your child can also blossom through the concrete operational stage through programs such as AGSA. This helps children develop their social skills. Also, Waterford Park offers a safe, fun environment to grow. Camp Invention is a popular program that stimulates a child's imagination and enhances abstract reasoning in the formal operational stage.
During adolescence, it is key that teens develop a true sense of identity. Teens can develop morally and religiously through confirmation classes offered at local churches such as Nativity Church on Oneida. One challenging part of adolescence is puberty. Our great community offers a program to ease this transition to adulthood called Girls Night Out, which answers many girls' questions and makes them know they're not alone.
Young adults have the opportunity to enhance social skills and learn job skills through the Park and Recreational Department. Concordia University offers educational courses 1 night a week to earn a degree, while also giving young adults the opportunity to work full-time.
Adult softball leagues held weeknights at Cornerstone Sports Complex give early adults a place for social interaction while still staying physically active. Events held at the Ashwaubenon Community Center, such as the upcoming Mardi Gras party, are other places to gain social interaction and development.
Brown County Golden Idol is one great opportunity for people over the age of 55 to transition from late adulthood to old age while remaining socially active. In addition to being a social gathering, Breakfast with the Experts gives important insight to older age people about topics such as aging and dementia.
As you can see, Ashwaubenon is a great place for people of all ages. In the sensory motor stage, infants develop secure attachment. Imagination, coordination, and motor skills are stimulated during the pre-operational stage. Ashwaubenon allows children in the concrete operational stage to stay physically fit. Abstract reasoning and logic are developed in the formal operational stage. In addition, programs for early to late adults enhance social development.
I love Ashwaubenon.